convenient smart features on your LG portable air conditioner connected to your smartphone. Search for the LG SmartThink application from the Google Play Store or Apple App Store on your smartphone. Follow instructions to download and install the LG application. Run the LG application and create an account and sign in. To connect the portable air conditioner to your Wi-Fi network, power on the unit, and press and hold the fan button for 3 seconds until the Wi-Fi icon begins to blink. Select Register. Then select air conditioner from the list of available smart appliances. Then select Portable. Follow the instructions on the smartphone to register the unit and connect it to your home Wi-Fi network. Proceed to step 3 on the app and press Registration Complete. Once the product is registered, the unit will appear on the app, and you are now ready to use the smartphone features on your LG portable air conditioner from your smartphone. The smart features include mode, set temperature, fan speed, and airflow. You can also turn the unit on and off using the app on your smartphone. Stay cool all year round with your new LG portable air conditioner.
Whynter portable air conditioners offer mobile and convenient cooling solutions anywhere you need it. With an easy setup and powerful cooling, Whynter portable air conditioners provide a convenient way to stay cool and comfortable. The Whynter ARC 14S 14,000 BTU portable air conditioner is a highly effective dual hose unit that provides exceptionally effective cooling when you need it most. Utilizing a dual hose system, this unit is able to more efficiently cool and maintain the conditions within a room. This portable air conditioner comes in two versions, the ARC-14S, which is a cool-only unit, and the ARC-14SH, which has a heat pump function that can be used as a space heater during cooler weather. For the portable air conditioner to cool effectively, the hot air the unit removes from the room needs to be vented to the outside. The window venting kits that come with our Whynter portable air conditioner fits most standard windows. You may make a custom modification and vent the exhaust through a wall or into a drop ceiling. Lift the window and adjust the window slide bars to the width or height of your window. Next, tighten the screws to hold the slide bars in position. Make sure the grooved side of the window slide bar is facing inside. Insert the fixtures to the holes of the window slide bar. Make sure the two closure tabs of the fixture are facing the inside. Install the 4 screws of the fixture from the inside. The end of the screw should point towards the outside. Close the window tightly enough to hold the slide bar in place. Attach the hose connectors to both ends of the hoses. Attach one end of the hoses to the back of the air conditioner. Extend the hoses as needed and attach the other end to the window slide bar. The easy setup process is complete. You can now enjoy your Whynter portable air conditioner. Pull open the top air vent. Power on the unit using the control panel. Select Cool Mode by pressing the Mode button. Set desired temperature by pressing the plus and minus buttons. Select fan speed by pressing the fan button. This unit comes equipped with a pre-filter as well as an odor neutralizing carbon filter.
Honeywell evaporative air coolers provide a natural and effective way of cooling to reduce the temperature without ringing up high energy bills. This model has a compact design and a 1.85-gallon water tank, helping to spot cool and provide fresh air ventilation for hours and hours. The CO71AE cools up to 100 square feet and consumes only 50 watts of power. This translates into savings of up to 90% on energy costs compared with using air conditioners. Water pumped from the water tank pours over the honeycomb cooling pad. As warm air passes through the wet honeycomb pad, it absorbs the heat, naturally cooling and humidifying the air. A powerful fan then propels the cool air into the room or outdoor area. This continuous cycle of fresh air circulation helps to renew stale air. This unit features 2 operating modes, evaporative cooling mode and fan-only mode. Automatic swing louvers can be activated for faster air circulation. There are 3 fan speeds to choose from, so you can adjust the wind strength according to the room environment. The remote control lets you operate the air cooler from across the room. A large honeycomb cooling pad effectively retains water for optimum evaporative cooling. A carbon dust filter helps filter dust from the air passing through the cooler. Honeywell evaporative air coolers are easy to set up and easy to use. Fill the water tank by pouring water at the side of the unit. Honeywell air coolers have easy-to-use control buttons with a clear display screen showing current mode settings. A built-in water level indicator also alerts when it's time to refill. The honeycomb cooling pad is easily removed from the unit for periodic cleaning and maintenance. The heavy-duty casters allow you to transport the air cooler from room to room with ease. Enjoy the natural cool breeze of a Honeywell Evaporative air cooler. A full range of Honeywell Evaporative air coolers are available to serve diverse needs.